Hey kids, welcome to the first grade math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Choose the image that matches the task. 4 plus 2 equals? 4 lions plus 2 equals 6 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 5 plus 4 equals? 5 lions plus 4 lions equals 9 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 3 plus 2 equals? 3 lions plus 2 equals 5 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 2 plus 6 equals? 2 lions plus 6 lions equals 8 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 1 plus 0 equals? 1 lion plus 0 lions equals 1 lion. Choose the image that matches the task. 3 plus 4 equals? 3 lions plus 4 lions equals 7 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 1 plus 3 equals? 1 lion plus 3 lions equals 4 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 3 plus 7 equals? 3 lions plus 7 lions equals 10 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 1 plus 2 equals? 1 lion plus 2 lions equals 3 lions. Choose the image that matches the task. 1 plus 1 equals? 1 lion plus 1 lion equals 2 lions. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.